Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I know it's been 200 years since I've been on here. I haven't been feeling really motivated lately. My videos weren't getting a lot of views, and so I was just like, meh, I was kind of down about it. So I said, let me just put things aside and work on some other stuff. But this week I was super motivated because a brand reached out to me. This is a new brand. It's called Alter Ego. They make like palette inspired palettes. And so they made their first palette after the inspiration from the Anastasia Sultry palette. It's the same color shades, and this one retails for $16, and the Anastasia one retails for $45. They also gave me a coupon code. I don't make any money off of it, but it does save you money, and it's CASEYP makeup, and that will save you 15%, and it will get you free shipping too. So you can go to their website and find this. Let me look for their website. Let me look at my phone. It's shopalterego.com. And that's where the palette is available. So these are really good for people who can't afford the expensive palettes but still want to use the same colors. And they have all their ingredients on the back so you can read everything that's in it. And so if there's anything that bothers you, nothing bothers me. And I do have sensitive skin, but nothing in this eyeshadow palette bothered me. But you can go and read their ingredients and make sure that this is okay for you. But if you want to see me put this thing to the test, then just go ahead and keep watching.
Okay, I'm starting off with that warm shade in the top called Lust. I really like to start off smoky eyes with a warm shade and put that like over my crease, because when I open my eye, I want to see just a little bit of warmth coming through. I think that looks really pretty, and I always do that with my smoky eyes. So I'm just switching over to the shade Uptown. This is a cool tone brown, but it still wants to pull to the warm side. And so I thought that was going to be a perfect transition shade in between the warm shades and the darker, cooler shades. So that just, to me, that just brings the smoky eye all together if you do like a lighter, cool tone brown in the middle. Okay, and now I'm going in with After Hours and just tapping that on the outside of the eye. This doesn't have to be perfect because I'm covering it up. And then I'm going to go back in with the same brush that I use Uptown on, and with no extra product, and just smooth it all out. Like I said, it does not have to be perfect. So just do your best here. My eye's funky there, so it's really hard to blend out. Okay, now I'm going in on a flat brush with no kind of setting spray or anything. This is just a plain brush with the shade Ritz. It's on the bottom row that it's got like gray and gold flecks in it, and I just thought that was a great shade to put on the lid. I'm trying not to go too dark with my smoky eyes anymore because I have such a deep set eye that it can really look wonky. So I like to keep my lid now with like a lighter shade, a shimmer shade. See how like that looks so good. And now I'm going in with the shade After Hours on the smallest brush that I own, and just lightly right at the waterline, just kind of take it back and forth. And sometimes I have to pat because my eye, it pulls. And so I just put a little of that underneath, not too crazy. Okay, now I'm going in with the shade Uptown again, and I'm just smoking that out. You can bring this shade down a little. I don't want to bring the real dark shade down far, but you can bring this one down because you're going to cover it with mascara. So even if you look funky at first, when you put the mascara on, it really covers it up. So you can bring that a little further. Okay, so I was feeling froggy, and I decided to use the shade Ritz on the lower lash line. I don't know, at the last minute, I just thought that would be really cute with like some shimmer underneath, and so I just went for it. Alright, now I'm just wrapping things up with a little lower lash line mascara, and that's pretty much everything. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my face and show you the final look.
Alright guys, so this is my final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.